Hey guys, my name is Matt. In this video, I'm going to provide some tips for ordering premium tires for your Ridemakerz Ride on our website, ridemakerz.com. So I did a previous video like this for ordering rims. This is almost the same exact process as ordering rims. Just the difference is you're going to be ordering tires instead. Yep, here we are at our ridemakerz.com home screen. We're going to go to the Shop Now icon up here, which brings you to this page. This is to shop now if you're going to build a new car, and then below here is our spare parts. Way over in the right corner over here is our premium tires quick link icon. So you would select on that, which again brings you to this screen, which is all of the parts you can order from our website. And here we are at our premium tires link, and as you can see, just like the rims, we have tires for rides with large front tires, tires for rides with small front tires, and tires for rides with monster tires. So just to show again, if you were to go to look at our cars, you can see like this Chevy Camaro has a smaller front tire, this Chevy Corvette has a larger front tire, and then if you were to look at our monster trucks, they have a whole different tire as well. Okay, so here we're going to go back to our premium tires, and we'll say we're ordering tires for the Chevy Camaro, which is the small front tire. So we'll select that icon. These are the 4 different options that you have to select from. We're going to order, let's say, the white wall tires for this video. All right, and then it brings you to this screen. You can like zoom in to see the different tread and the design of the tire. And then once again, in the very bottom right corner here is the description. You just want to pay close attention to make sure that you're ordering for the right car. Again, like I said, we're going to do for the Chevy Camaro. So yep, it's the first one listed. These will fit. This is a set of the front and the large. So we're going to go ahead and add to the cart here, which is going to populate over on the right. Go to checkout. And there you go. You've ordered premium tires for your car. All right, thanks for watching.